Hello, this is Linda and welcome. This is just going to be a short video about a new playlist that I want you to look for in 2024. It's going to be called Stitch by Stitch. And what I'm going to be doing basically is making little 4x4 square pages. Now this one is designed to go in a little book. Some of them will be just separate 4x4s, and but I'm going to be making as many of these as I can in 2024. So I don't know how many that's going to be, but I'm going to be using them in all different kinds of ways. I'm going to be making just because books for gifts. I'm going to be making them to go in my challenge project for 2024 in the coffee table book, slow stitch coffee table book. I'm going to be making them as center motifs in other projects. I don't know exactly what else I'm going to be doing with them, but my aim is to make as many as I can. And to be honest with you, it's because I need to do something with these tubs of fabric. Okay, I've got tons and tons of fabric, scraps, and I've got tons of tubs stacked up everywhere. So I'm going to be using this project. You know, my aim is to put 10 to 15 different elements on a page of scraps and just have fun with it. No rhyme or reason, just anything goes, but just using the scraps. And I should be able in a year's time to get quite a few scraps out of my tubs and onto something I can use. The little books make wonderful gifts. I'm going to make them for my granddaughters and the little girls of my friends, little girls, and encourage them to do a little stitching on each page themselves, add something of their own, a good way for them to start. Also thought I would take some to an assisted living facility here locally where I have a friend that is living there, and some of the older ladies I know would really enjoy having one of these to flip through and look at, and maybe if they can still sew, they might want to add something of their own to it too. So there's all kinds of charitable situations where you can give these away, but a wonderful project idea for this year. So look for the playlist. It's going to be Stitch by Stitch, and I'm going to be adding a little thoughtful quote to some of these videos as I go along, kind of to help me think about what I want to meditate on during that week while I'm working on these little projects. I am going to try to upload a stitch by stitch video every Sunday, and so I'll give you a new little quote idea every Sunday. Okay, be sure to look for that, and in the meantime, be sure to stay scrap happy. Bye-bye.